Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Lexus RX 350 key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR 1632 battery. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit, providing clear visibility for the small components. Having the right items ready makes the process smooth and quick, ensuring you can complete the task efficiently. Next, you'll need to open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side and press it to slide out the physical key. This key is crucial for opening the fob. Insert the tip of the physical key or a small flathead screwdriver into the notch where the key was removed, then gently twist to separate the two halves of the casing. Now it's time to replace the battery. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR 1632 battery. Then, insert the new CR 1632 battery into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Finally, reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Slide the physical key back into its slot until you hear a click. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking, to confirm the new battery is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.